Last vacation. Holiday album. My name is Nazlia Yara Munoz Amin, Technological in Banking Management and Financing in Meetings. Volleyball reunion. My last vacation were in June. I met with my former volleyball teammates. We were playing a light game in the Sena. The teams were mixed. There weren't so many women to form a single team. After terminate the game, we had 2 pizzas, one Mexican and another kitchen with mushrooms with soda. Finally, we were goodbye at every win house. My cousin's birthday. The 2 months was birthday of my cousin. We celebrate in her house. His parents bought a cake and beautiful decoration. Later, we went to the Cantina bar. She wanted drink and dancing until the dawn. Finally, we were tired and we hungry. We headed to Jane's restaurant. There at egg brown with prepared lemon. I looked already. It was already 5 morning. My birthday. The night of June, I was my birthday. I got out with many surprises. My mother and father congratulated. I received a surprise breakfast and also a beautiful bouquet of flowers. My father invited me to lunch in the Cocorico restaurant. We were eating a kitchen rice. Later, I out with my cousin and stepbrother to the Barquito to celebrate my 18 years. Volleyball Championship.